morning guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to clean a dirty car like a professional without making any scratch on your car body. This type of dirt is normally happens when you drive your car in monsoon seasons and you drive over a slush or you have to do some sort of off-roading. So this type of dirt is common. So you need to clean your car once you come back, and today I will show you the procedure how you can effectively clean a car like this at home. So friends and viewers, those who have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any comments regarding this particular video, please do comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because your subscription and comments and like helps to promote my channel further. So please do subscribe and like. So first I will wash the car, then I will give a foam wash. After foam wash I will give a shampoo wash, and then finally I will apply liquid wax to protect the car body. So let's start the procedure. First step will be to wash the car to clear all the mud and debris, all the tires. You see the rim color has become just like a muddy color. The actual black color is no more visible. So the entire car has been washed with the help of pressure washer. I would suggest you to invest in a pressure washer, as it is very helpful to clean cars and it takes much less water than normal bucket method. Now I will apply foam to this car to wipe up this particular muddy stresses that is still remaining in the car. The entire car after foam wash has been washed with water to remove all stresses of foam. Now the next step will be to apply shampoo water, and during this course we have also cleaned all the rims. All the rims have been cleaned, and I have also washed the wheel caps separately, as it is easier to clean bringing out the wheel caps from your rims. So I have cleaned the wheel caps. So now let's apply shampoo. Cap of shampoo to around 1 liter of water. This is zip wash and wax. This will wash your car and also apply some wax on it. So if you don't want to wax further after washing, this type of shampoo is quite easier for you to use. So like this I will apply to the entire car. Now wipe off the excess shampoo with the help of pressure washer, or if you don't have a pressure washer, you can apply plain water and wipe off the excess shampoo. Now I will apply ceramic wet wax. Instead of ceramic wet wax, you can apply liquid wax also, but ceramic wet wax will give you a better protection and it will last longer. So this has to be applied while the car is wet. Now the bonnet area. Like this I will do to the entire car, then I will show you the result. Actually, if you had applied this ceramic wax after a paint correction, results would have been much better, but I am not doing any paint correction, as the paint is already very old and there are numerous scratches and paint has a bit faded away. So I will repaint the car within 2 or 3 months, then I will show you a better result, but this will give you a protection and you will get enough gloss. Now I will apply the glass cleaning cloth. For this I am using a waffle type microfiber cloth. I will give you the link if you are interested. In fact, if you want to know about the dedicated uses of different microfiber cloth, I have a dedicated video about that. That link will be in the description also. Some tire polish for added protection and beautification. Finally the job has been done and you can see the car in your eyes that how the condition was before this wash, and I have restored as much as I can. Since the paint is not in that good condition, still the car looks much glossy and much appealing that it was before. And this is how you can easily wash a dirty car at home without much difficulty. So thank you very much and goodbye.